Okay, let's talk about eyes. She's got some pretty ones. They are little jewels in there. However, as her lids get heavier and heavier, the sunlight does not get in there and they don't sparkle as much, and it's harder to see them. And as we talk to each other, we look each other in the eyes. It's really important. So that's usually the first thing we consider when we're talking about facial rejuvenation surgery. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do an upper eyelid surgery where I remove a strip of skin going all the way across here. This right here. This is a brow lift. We're not doing a brow lift today. We're doing upper eyelid surgery. And after we remove the skin, we remove a strip of the thin muscle that covers that area as well, so that it isn't so bulky. And then deep to that muscle, there's a little bit of periorbital fat, and that is what contributes to the puffiness that she has medially and centrally here. And we're going to remove some of that as well. On the lower eyelids, you see she's got some puffiness, especially on this side, a little bit over here. If we bring her chin down and ask her to look up towards the ceiling, you can see it really kind of exacerbates that and shows us where we need to, that I need to remove more over here, but also a little bit on this side. To treat this, we make an incision behind the eyelid there and tease out a little bit of fat. That is going to make it so it does not bulge out so much. Then give us a little smile. You can see also there's diminished skin elasticity from age. The fractional CO2 laser is going to resurface this area and help to tighten up that skin.